Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Bestech Knives Spike here with me for a quick review. This is a knife made in China by Bestech. It's 8.25 inch long when open, 4.75 inch long handle. It's employing GFN scales, which are glass fiber infused with nylon scales. The steel employed is 12C27 Sandvik steel, 3.25 inch long drop point blade with a dual tone finish, black DLC coating on the flats and just a satin on the main bevel. It's a flat grind. It's very nice, nicely designed. I like the look of this guy, and it's a very inexpensive one. It's going to be like $25–30. Overall, the grip is pretty good. You have a deep carry pocket clip right over here, stainless steel, polished, going on. Not really many hot spots going on, so it's gonna feel good in the hand. And look at this. What I really love about this guy is the action. It is very nice. Runs on bearings, of course, and it's very smooth. It deploys fast, closes nicely, has a decent sound. So, very, very interesting. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.